Here is the start of the red trail. The red trail is a loop off the white trail. It was totally impassable in the middle because of all of the pricker bushes that had grown up, and they made it nice and wide. They made it passable. They took down all of the pricker bushes that were hanging over, and look at this. You can traverse this so easily. And it's going to loop around here, and it's going to head back to the white trail. And you can see the red markings that they put. They put the markings going this way, and they put the markings going the other way, so the kids can learn to follow trail markings. And here it is, heading back to the white trail. Look at how absolutely beautiful this trail is. You can come down here with the classes and enjoy nature. Listen to the critters chirping. And look, you can even see a birdhouse out in the bushes there. There used to be a dozen or so birdhouses, most of them fallen down. Those were in 2014 when the Girl Scouts put this or revamped this trail.